If you're someone who doesn't like the feeling of in-ear earbuds but still wants to enjoy your music while staying aware of your surroundings, then this one might be exactly what you're looking for.
Today we're checking out the WEOFLY ClipFits, an open-ear wireless earbud with a unique clip-on design. It promises all-day comfort, clear audio, AI-powered noise reduction for calls, long battery life, and a secure fit whether you're working, commuting, or exercising.
I've been using this for several days now, so in this video, I'll share to you my honest experience, what I like, what could be better, and whether they're actually worth buying. So without further ado, let's get started.
Inside the box, you'll find the earbuds inside the charging case. You also get a USB Type-C charging cable, the user manual, and the warranty information. The packaging is simple, clean, and everything you need is already included.
Now, let's talk about the design because this is probably the biggest reason people will consider buying this.
Instead of going inside your ear canal like traditional earbuds, the ClipFits simply clip onto your ears. They're incredibly lightweight, just 4 grams each buds. It doesn't create that pressure inside your ears that regular earbuds usually do after long listening sessions. This makes them great if you wear earbuds for hours while working or studying. The flexible C-shaped clip holds them securely in place.
I tried walking, jogging, doing light workouts, and they never felt like they were going to fall off.
Another thing I really appreciate is that because they're open ear, you can still hear your surroundings. If you're walking outside, riding a bicycle, or simply waiting for announcements in public transport, you don't feel completely isolated from what's happening around you.
Personally, I think that's a huge advantage for safety. The charging case is also compact enough to fit easily inside your pocket. Now let's move on to the sound quality. Considering these are open-ear earbuds, I was actually surprised.
The audio is clear with good vocal reproduction, making podcasts, YouTube videos, and phone calls sound excellent. Music also sounds enjoyable. You'll still get decent bass, although don't expect the same punch you'll get from sealed in-ear earbuds because these are open-ear by design. The soundstage actually feels wider since nothing is blocking your ears, which makes songs feel more natural.
If you mainly listen to pop, acoustic music, podcasts, or watching videos, I think you'll be happy with overall sound quality. Volume is also more than enough for indoor use and even outdoor walks. Now, let's play a sample music for your reference. One feature I wasn't expecting to perform this well is the AI noise reduction during calls.
I've tested calls indoors, inside a coffee shop, and even while walking beside traffic. My voice remains surprisingly clear. The AI algorithm does a good job minimizing background noise, so the person on the other end can hear you much better. Of course, if you're standing beside really loud traffic or construction, some noise will still get through. But for everyday calls, the performance is actually impressive.
If you frequently attend online meetings or answer calls while commuting, this feature is definitely useful. Battery life is another strong point here.
The earbuds themselves can use up to 4.5 hours of music playback or 4.5 hours talk time on a single charge. And once you include the charging case, you can easily get up to 21 hours music playtime.
For me, using them during work, watching videos at night, and taking a few calls every day, I only needed to charge the case after several days.
Charging is done through USB Type-C, which is always nice since most of our devices already use the same cable.
So, are the WEOFLY ClipFits worth it? After using them, I'd say it's absolutely yes, especially if comfort is your top priority.
What I like the most is the lightweight clip-on design, the comfortable all-day fit, surprisingly good sound quality for an open-ear design, reliable AI call noise reduction, stable Bluetooth connection, and solid battery life. They're not trying to replace premium noise-canceling earbuds. Instead, they're designed for people who want to stay connected to the world while still enjoying music, podcasts, or calls. And in that role, they actually perform really well.
If you've been looking for a comfortable pair of open-ear earbuds that you can wear for hours without discomfort, I think the WEOFLY ClipFits are definitely worth checking out. So, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.